Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to view Instagram stories anonymously. First, open Instagram and swipe down to refresh it so that all the latest posts and stories from all the accounts are visible. Now turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now tap on the stories to view anonymously. Let's see if this works or not. I am using both of these accounts for this video. Let's check my story views. As you can see, there is no view showing up in my story. Let's add another story and try it again. I will switch account to view the story. Turn off Wi-Fi and then view the story. Now turn on the Wi-Fi back again and switch my account and check my story views. As you can see, there are no story views showing up on these Instagram stories. This is how you can view others' Instagram stories anonymously. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.